Animals Part 48. Let's go behind the door and see donkeys. Boys and girls, do you remember this brother and sister donkey on the farm? I'm going to take you on the other side of the farm to see 30 plus donkeys.
All donkeys have a cross.
Okay.
So this is the cross.
Wow.
Like this.
Yes.
And it's made up of what's called a dorsal, meaning the top. The dorsal stripe down the top of their back. And the shoulder stripe that goes over their shoulders from one side to the other.
Wow.
They all have them. Very, very rare for a donkey not to have one.
Okay.
But sometimes they're harder to see and you have to look for them.
You hear that, boys and girls? So when you see a donkey, look for that cross.
And then it goes back down the tail, and here's the shoulder stripe going.
Yes. Hi there, sweetie. Say hi to my kids.
And he likes to nibble.
Kids. Oh, he's a nibbler.
So
Boys and girls, 2 years old.
He's learning the boundaries of play between how he can play with a donkey and how he can play with a person.
He's a nibbler, boys and girls. Nibble, nibble,
And
nibble.
It's actually an affection behavior.
Oh, okay. Because he loves you.
So we have the opportunity. We have large herds of free roaming or wild donkeys.
You are a Jack. J-A-C-K.
No, this is a Jenny.
Oh, this is a Jenny. This is a female.
This is a girl. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, sweetheart. This is a female. A Jenny, like me. Yes, we females must stick together. Yes, he does. This brown donkey. And you have a gray one over here. Let's go over here and check out the cross. Let's see some kind of cross here. Oh, there's the cross, boys and girls. Let's take a side view. Oh, here's a donkey with a goat. Oh, baby goat. Look at that little sweetheart. And look at our donkey. All kinds of different donkeys in here. Look at these donkeys. We'll take a closer look here. There's his backside. Donkeys here, boys and girls, at the country fair. There's the brown one. Oh, another brown one right there. Okay, it's hard to see the cross on these dark brown hairy donkeys. And you can see the cross there. See, boys and girls? There's part of the cross right there. Donkey. See, you can't see the cross on the dark donkey. over a blue pail, aren't you? Donkey, boys and girls. Look at its mane there. Look at that mane. Wow. Unique donkey, huh? And cute. Also has fun mane. Back. You see the cross there? Both sides. One side is darker than the other.